How to fix Airplay not working on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. On this page, scroll down and go to Airplay and Continuity. Here, you can choose how your iPhone interacts with other devices for Airplay and other continuity features. You can set Airplay to automatically stream to devices you regularly use, or choose to manually select devices. Continuity features allow your iPhone to work seamlessly with your other Apple devices. Over here, go to Automatically Airplay at the top. Then, select Ask. You have now turned off this option. iPhone will now ask to connect to nearby speakers and TVs when playing content from apps you regularly use with Airplay. And then, go to the General Settings page and tap on Software Update. You can update your phone from here and view all the available updates. As you can see, your phone is already up to date. After that, go back and scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on Reset below. And then, select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to continue. Tap on Reset Network Settings again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily fix Airplay not working on iPhone.